can see over here, this is the error. So how you can fix this issue? So like if you have purchased your GTA 5 from Epic Store, then you need to open your Epic account. If you have purchased your GTA 5 from your Steam platform, then you need to open your Steam. So first of all, I want to show you the steps for Epic Games. So as you can see over here, this is my Epic account, and on my Epic account my library is showing my GTA 5. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on three dots. As you can see over here, you need to click on three dots, and when you click on three dots, as you can see over here, when we click on three dots, what we have to do, you need to click on manage, and when we click on manage, there is an option like verify files. You just need to simply click on verify files. That's it. You have to wait for some time because it will download so all latest files and all verification files in your game, and it will take some time according to your internet speed. It will take some approx 5 to 10 minutes, and once your file is done, then what you have to do, you need to close this window and you can relaunch your app. Okay, so this is the step. By using this step, you can easily play your game. And if you have purchased your game from Steam app, then what you have to do, you need to open your Steam app and you need to go to a library, and when you click on library, you need to select your game. For example, this is my game, and you need to click on this setting icon. As you can see over here, this is the second icon. You need to click on this one icon, and once you click on this one icon, you need to click on properties, and once you click on properties, you need to click on install files. When you can click on install files, you need to click on this option, verify integrity of game files. Just simply click on this option, and that's it. By using this method, you can also fix the same issue by using Steam app. Okay, so by using these two methods, you can easily fix this issue. Hopefully this will fix your all issues. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment, and if this video will helpful for you, then you can make a comment. Your comment will help for lots of people, and your comment will give us a good, you can say anything. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.